Today we're gonna be unboxing I can't say that, but Pro Shockwave headset. It's meant for Xbox Series X, what I don't have, but these are the devices that it's compatible with: PS5, any Xbox, Nintendo, PC, and Mac. So I was thinking that we could test the hearing and the microphone from my new Mac. Okay. Let's see what's this. Instruction manual. Whoa, okay. Put this to the side. How am I supposed to open this? So complicated. Now that's out of the way. Let's see. First impression, looks huge. I love how it's shiny right here. I love the green, not just the Xbox. Oh, that's cool. It's the little switch and the hearing, and oh look. I've been needing this converter for my PC. You know, because most PCs have these separated, the mic and the headphone. Okay. I love how it's Velcro, so if you don't need the full 6 feet, you don't need to use the full 6 feet. Yeah, it's 6 feet. Okay, let me grab my Mac and then let's do the hearing test on the microphone. Okay, I love the cushion, and I think it's sound canceling because I can barely hear myself. Right, let me just go grab my C-hub. Okay, luckily they give you the headphone jack. Okay. Is that in all the way? Yeah, okay. My C-hub. Now let's plug this in. The only piece of light that I can see. Oh, okay. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little bit of green light that turns on from here. See? I like the microphone, but it should be on this side, the light. That way you can actually see it. Okay, and I'll switch you guys over to my Mac. Okay, so you guys are hearing from the microphone, and let me just make sure it's the microphone. Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I guess the... Okay. I guess let's just get to the sound testing. You guys should be able to, yeah, I should be able to see my screen. So I'll do this, and yeah. And then I'll put 10 fingers up, 10 to 1 fingers, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best.
This first test will check the bass of your headphones. These that you're about to hear range between 200 Hz and 10 Hz. Better quality headphones are capable of reproducing frequencies as low as 20 Hz, which is our lowest hearing limit. Let's look at how far you can go.
Okay, so far for the bass, I would give it a 9.5 out of 10.
The second test will check the treble of your headphones. High quality headphones are capable of reproducing frequencies as high as 20,000 Hz, which is our highest hearing limit.
Okay, for this one, it's 7.9, I would say. Yeah. Okay.
Poorly designed headphones, whenever noisy or bass material is played, can start rattling. If you turn up the volume, the following file will check bass frequencies and can shake your drivers. Set your headphone volume to high. In the following test, the sound should be clear and there should be no buzzing noises.
Okay, 9.9, because towards the end when it was coming back, it kind of like, I heard some noise that we're not supposed to hear.
In order to reproduce a true stereo image, the left and the right drivers must respond equally to any frequency. The sound you are about to hear should retain a flawless central location through all the frequencies, playing in the center of your head.
Oh, for that one, I would give it 10 out of 10. I mean, it sounded fine.
The left channel is directed to the left earpiece, and the right channel on the right side in an accurately wired headphone. In the next test, sound should move in the same direction as indicated on the screen, and not in the opposite direction. Let's test it.
That was 10 out of 10, definitely. It sounded really good.
Let's do a hearing test. Note the frequency when you start hearing the sound.
Yeah, that was fine. I didn't hear any noise, so. Okay, so for this one, this one's a little bit weird. For the right side, I would give it 9 out of 8. 9.8 out of 10. And then for this side, I could barely like feel the bass. On this side, I could. So I would give this side like 8.1 or just 8. Okay, 8D is the last one. Okay, I'm not gonna watch the whole thing because it's like 15 minutes long. But I would give it 9. Let's see. I mean, in the beginning, it was kind of bad. So probably 9.7. Okay, mic test is the last one. Let me just switch it. Reload this page. And then let's do the mic test. Oh, yeah, this is what the mic's called. Okay. Please say hello or make some noise. The tester records the sound captured by your mic and you will be able to play it back after testing is complete. Please say hello or make some noise. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more videos. Say hello, make some noise. The tester records. Air. Why is there an air? Okay, well, for some reason I can't hear my recording, but this is the rating that they give out of, I think, 10,000. So, yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It's better than the AirPods first gen.
But yeah, for some reason I can't hear that air. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And see you guys next time. Bye.